Good morning to all of you. Welcome to Legal Matters by Sai Babu Sunkara. In this video, we are going to discuss the importance of the language you have to use, particularly as a professors, as a lecturers, which is actually a sanctified post. Teacher's profession is one of the noblest professions. భగవంతుడు మీకు ఒక అదృష్టం ఇచ్చాడు చిన్నపిల్లలతో మాట్లాడటానికి. అలాగే ఒక గౌరవప్రదమైనటువంటి స్థానంలో ఉన్నప్పుడు మాట అనేది చాలా చాలా సున్నితంగా ఉండాలి. అలాగే ఎదుటి మనిషిని ఇబ్బంది పెట్టకుండా ఉండాలి. దిస్ ఈజ్ వాట్ ఐ వాంట్ టు టెల్ యూ. An incident happened on 26th November 2022 in Manipal Institute in Udupi District. Of course, the student was a Muslim boy. The professor asked his name, and when he disclosed his name as so, "Oh, you are like Kasab." Finish. The boy got irritated. The boy started asking, "Sir, why should you call me Kasab? Why should you compare me with Azmal Kasab? Why should so? You mean to say that I am a terrorist?" No, not like that. Just jovially I am telling. Funnily I am speaking. Oh, please, I don't think otherwise. But he said, "No, I am very sorry, sir. I am upset rather by your behavior. As a professional, you should not call me like that. Am I a terrorist? Being a Muslim, is it a sin to be born in a Muslim family? Everybody wants to think that whenever my name is Kasab, you are thinking that I am just like Azmal Kasab, who is in, you may be knowing, Azmal Kasab is involved in the 26/11 incident wherein the so-called Pakistani terrorists, so they have killed mercilessly so many people, and this Azmal Kasab was caught red-handed, caught with life. Ultimately, he was executed. Of course, by a very bad name, Azmal Kasab. But still, please remember, the professor asked the student his name as his name. Then he said, some Arapatar Kasab. So the professor immediately said, "Oh, you are like Kasab." So this is with reference to Azmal Kasab, who is the terrorist accused of 26/11 incident, Mumbai terror or Taj Mahal attack case. But it is not a funny thing. Being a Muslim in this country and facing such a wrath is not funny, sir. You can't joke about my religion. He took it very seriously. Then, will you talk to your child like this? Will you talk to your son like this? Then the professor said, "No, why should I talk?" Immediately said. So, likewise, I don't expect my father or father-like person, you, to talk in such a manner. You are a teacher. So, please remember, immediately the teacher said, I'm sorry. A sorry does not change how you think. A sorry does not change how you think or how you portray yourself here. You think that all Muslim persons are just like Azmal Kasabs. Suppose even if my father says like that, I will disown him. I will not actually call him a worthy father. This is the word. So this happened on 26/11/2022. How it came to light, how to surface. So while the discussion is going on, you can see it in the YouTube also. While the discussion is going on, another fellow student videographed it. Then he has posted in the social media. So once it comes to social media, it has become viral, and ultimately the management had to suspend the professor. Now, the management has issued a rejoinder on 28/11/2022. Manipal University stated that they have instituted an enquiry about the attitude or about the happening or about the incident which took place on 26/11/2022. The professor has been debarred. So, institute does not support such behavior. Institute, it will uphold the constitutional principles. Incidentally, this incident took place on which day? 26/11. What is the importance of 26/11? Constitution Day, National Law Day. So we have to respect the Constitution. If you read Article 15 of the Constitution, what does it say? It says nobody should be discriminated by the religion, sex, caste, other things. So this is religious discrimination. What is Article 15? Everybody is equal before law, and there should be no discrimination as per Article 15. But still, so now the institute is said they are committed to uphold the country constitutional values, constitutional morality, constitutional ethos, and they treat everybody alike. Let him be Muslim, let him be Christian, let him be Hindu, let him be Sikh or other things. Without bias on caste, religion, race, we are treating everybody. We'll treat like that. This is the rejoinder given by the Manipal University. But to conclude, what I want to tell you in Telugu, మనకు ఒక గౌరవప్రదమైనటువంటి ఒక స్థానం ఇచ్చినప్పుడు దాన్ని నిలుపుకోవడానికి ప్రయత్నించాలి. నోరు, నాలిక, దానికి నరం లేదు, ఏదైనా మాట్లాడచ్చు. కానీ మాట్లాడే ముందు జాగ్రత్తగా ఆలోచించి మాట్లాడి. అలాగే ఒక ప్రొఫెసర్ క్యాడర్లో ఉన్నప్పుడు మీరు మాట్లాడేది విద్యార్థులకు ఉపయోగపడాలి, విద్యార్థులకు సదుద్దేశంతో మాట్లాడాలి. అంతేగాని ఇలా మాట్లాడి భావజాలాలు, ద్వేషాలు పెంచితే అది ఇన్స్టిట్యూట్కే ఇబ్బంది అవుతుంది. No doubt, it is only మన లీగల్ లాంగ్వేజ్లో ఆబిటర్ డిక్టా, పాసింగ్ రిమార్క్, బట్ స్టిల్ ఇట్ హాస్ హర్ట్ ది సెంటిమెంట్స్ ఆఫ్ ద బాయ్. నో డౌట్ దాంట్లో ఈ మొత్తాలు రకరకాల కామెంట్స్ వస్తుంటాయి. అండ్ నేను విడిగా ఏదైనా మాట్లాడదు, ఈ సందర్భం కాదు. కానీ ఈ సందర్భం ప్రకారం ఏంటంటే ఏదైనా సరే ఎదుటి వ్యక్తిని మర్యాదగా మాట్లాడాలి, ఎదుటి వ్యక్తిని గౌరవించి మాట్లాడాలి, ఎదుటి వ్యక్తిని తక్కువగా చూడకూడదు. నో డౌట్, ఈవెన్ దో the teacher has got a quasi-parental authority, he should not misutilize the same. This is what I want to tell you. So with this I am concluding. Thank you very much.